Hello, welcome to Tradepronamics, mechanical workshop management software. This is a demonstration of mechanics efficiency, how efficient he is at working on a job and how long it takes compared to what is being quoted, etc. So here we have a job card. We want 23 hours worked on that, and the mechanic works on it. We want to know how much time he spent on it. Okay, it's budgeted for 3 hours. So every time the mechanic works on that item, the right mouse clicks and selects mechanic efficiency. He selects his name, and here, so we've got Fred Jones. Okay, so he selects his name. Fred Jones can put some notes in. I'll just type notes, say workshop notes, etc. Puts in the begin time. There's the begin time, and when he finishes working on it, puts on the end time. So I can just change that manually. I'll put the end time as 14 there, so it tells you 2 hours. He's worked on it 2 hours. Okay, so this mechanic here, go to the right, Fred Jones has worked 2 hours on this job on that date, in time, that period. I'll save that. So now if you want to get a report, you can go reports up here. You can't see it, the reports menu. I'll click on work efficiencies. Hours work performance report. You can select the date, so you want today's date. If you shouldn't, in case I'll just leave it blank. Get everything. There's only one in there. So there's Fred Jones on that date. On that car there, he's worked 2 hours. He charged 3 hours. That was the budget. It gives you all these details, the costs and the profit. And he's 100% efficient, so he's very efficient. He's supposed to work 3 hours, and he's done it in 2 hours. So he's very efficient, and you pay appraisals accordingly. Thank you. Download a demo from Tradepronamics.com. rad.com.au. It's www.rad.com.au, and you can play around with the system. It does everything from bookings to job cards, invoicing, inventory management, and single tax payroll. So you can be STP compliant with the tax office. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're available 24/7. Thank you.